Describing Building Brands program in 2 words, it would be international and transcending, because we're not here to learn how to sell more products, but actually to understand how people feel connected about brands and what we should do about it. And it takes a lot of different perspectives, so I think it's very transcending and international.
Brands are something that we encounter, of course, on a daily basis. And what we would like students to take away from this is, of course, a proper analysis of why certain branding strategies work and others do not, right? Rather than just basing their opinions on common sense or intuitive gut feeling, we'd like to give them a toolbox based on sort of proper academic knowledge and research, but use that to make proper analyses and therefore look at that sort of branding world around them with a slightly different view.
Within the Building Brands course, we have such diverse nationalities and students, whether they're just starting their masters or already working for many years. We have a very active discussion and everybody has something that's a new perspective, and I'm benefiting from it a lot, especially for a course like Building Brands, because we are talking about maybe brands that are global, and it's very interesting to see how it's perceived by people in different countries and cultures. And even outside of the classroom, of course, when we are just having a social chat, it's really nice to have such a diverse group. It's special.
The foundation for the Building Brands program is definitely in academia, right? I'm an academic director with an academic background, and all the discussions that we have are based on articles and primary research. But we definitely make a transition to the real-life business world as well. We've got people coming in from business, brand consultants, people with an actual brand management background, and the students also work on projects that are related to sort of the real-life business world.
Well, being in Amsterdam is amazing. Look at the beauty here and the canals and going around with the bikes. It really adds something more to this course, this summer course, and put a cherry on top of my studying career.